Welcome to a captivating journey through time, as we explore FCA Heritage's debut at the 2017 Retromobile show in Paris. Step into a meticulously recreated 1950s garage, where the legacy of Italian automotive excellence comes alive. On display are 8 iconic models from Alfa Romeo, Fiat, Lancia, and Abarth, each telling a unique story of design, innovation, and passion. Marvel at the sleek lines of the 1962 Alfa Romeo 2600 Sprint, a testament to Giorgetto Giugiaro's design prowess. This elegant Grand Tourer showcases the perfect blend of performance and style that Alfa Romeo is renowned for. Alongside it stands the rare 1963 Alfa Romeo 2600 SC prototype, a Zagato masterpiece that never saw mass production. Its unique bodywork and limited numbers make it a true collector's gem. Witness the charm of the 1964 Fiat 500D, a symbol of Italy's post-war mobility. This compact icon revolutionized personal transportation and became a beloved fixture on Italian streets. Nearby, its exclusive sibling, the 1968 Fiat 500 Gamine by Vignale, exudes neo-retro elegance. With its distinctive beach car styling, it represents a playful twist on the classic Cinquecento design. Admire the 1958 Lancia Flaminia Coupe, a Pininfarina-designed luxury vehicle that epitomizes Italian automotive sophistication. Its flowing lines and refined interior showcase the pinnacle of 1950s automotive craftsmanship. In contrast, the one-of-a-kind 1960 Lancia Loraymo stands as a unique fusion of American design flair and Italian engineering precision, highlighting Lancia's innovative spirit. Discover the racing heritage with the 1960 Abarth 1000 Monoposto record, a record-breaking single-seater that pushed the boundaries of speed and aerodynamics. This streamlined marvel is a testament to Abarth's commitment to performance. Nearby, the 1963 Abarth 1000 Bialbero showcases Carlo Abarth's engineering brilliance, demonstrating how compact cars could be transformed into formidable racing machines. Bridging past and present, the modern Abarth 124 Spider stands proudly among its predecessors. This contemporary sports car embodies the spirit of its forebears, combining classic Italian styling with modern performance technology. FCA Heritage's presence at Retromobile 2017 not only celebrated these timeless classics but also marked the launch of their French-language website. This digital platform invites enthusiasts to delve deeper into the rich history of these iconic brands, offering a wealth of information and stories behind each legendary model. As we conclude our tour through this automotive time capsule, it's clear that FCA Heritage has created more than just a display. They've crafted a living, breathing tribute to the ingenuity, style, and passion that have defined Italian motoring for generations. Whether you're a devoted collector or simply an admirer of beautiful machines, this exhibition offers a rare glimpse into the heart and soul of automotive artistry. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our exciting videos. Until next time, keep cruising and stay classy.